Man, we can let it kissed.
Counting that slider.
10 minutes.
We didn't have to clutch in at the end there. For about a minute there, it was just coasting already.
That sounds just like the white car. No? When you're rolling?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we would have been stopped already.
Wow.
You're going pretty fast.
Yeah, I know. We're moving.
Holy cow.
I think it
It's going
needs.
so fast that you can't see the spokes. It's going pretty fast.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I think it needs a fuel bottle so it can go really go.